Okay, so my friends, I also want to just mention the seed of the dandelion. And this too is edible. What you could do is make your nut milks and then add in the seeds, so we get some beautiful seeds added in. And the seed is going to help clean out the colon. And again, here's that place where we're recognizing that all the parts of the dandelion are working in different organ systems. And the best time that I really love to harvest the seed head, as I recognize this is a year 2020 where people are becoming way more aware of this beautiful plant, and that it's an easy one for us to start our journey in our medicine making or even in our culinary skills. And what you want to do is maybe harvest the seed head when it's still closed, so it's finished the flower. It almost looks like a flower head closed, but it's actually white at the very tip. And then you can collect them, and then you can spread these seeds later on in another area so that we have more patches of dandelion growing to help make sure that everyone has access, the pollinators, the birds, because they like to eat these seeds, for us to have access. And that, you know, part of the role of these wild weeds are what we call a succession plant. And the weeds come into all the areas that are disturbed. And dandelion in particular has an incredible root system that can go at least a meter into the earth. So it's going to help with aeration, with drainage. Insects love to be creating their homes close to the dandelion. Dandelion is also an indication of the quality of the soil, that there's a lack of nitrogen. Once the dandelion gets shaded out, then she'll move on or die back. And so this succession is really wanting to get back into the forest. So we need to honor these weeds, recognize they're actually here to help us not only bring us back to these incredible ancient forests, but to also help ensure that we're having these long, prosperous, full, healthy, strong lives. So spread the seeds. That's part of our responsibility as the two-leggeds, like the birds, the bears, the raccoons, the squirrels. We're all moving the seeds. So make sure you move your seeds, my friends.